match number with that first Buckeye Regional, Team 548.
Team 548, they hail from Northfield, Michigan. Their sponsors include General Motors Corporation and Shiloh Industry. The 35 students represent Northview High School. They're the Robo-Stings.
They were a Rookie Inspiration Award winner here a couple years back. Team 1317.
Out of Bexley, Ohio, and sponsored by American Electrical Power, the Ohio State University, Honda of America Manufacturing, Honda R&D, Siemens Airfield Solutions, and the American Showa Group. The students come from the Educational Robotics of Central Ohio. That's a group that's made up of Central Ohio homeschools, private schools, and public school students. Again, they're from Bexley. It's Digital Fusion!
And rounding out the Red Alliance with their red machine, they've already been regional winners down in Florida this year. Team 1270.
This team has been around since 2004. They're based in Cleveland, Ohio. Sponsored by Youth Technology Academy of Cuyahoga Community College, the National Science Foundation, the NASA Glenn Research Center, Cuyahoga County Workforce Development, the Dolphin Trust, Cleveland Tech Works, and Ronald McDonald House Charities. The students come from a variety of schools that represent the Cleveland Municipal School District. This team is the Red Dragons.
They've already won in Florida this year. They've already won in Wisconsin this year. Team 537.
Out of Sussex, Wisconsin, their 47 students come from Hamilton High School. Their sponsors include Rockwell Automation, the GE Volunteers, Pentair Water, and Quest Technologies. Last night they won Driving Tomorrow's Technology Award here at the Buckeye Regional. It's Team 537, the Chargers Robotic Team.
These next two teams might look very similar. Last year they got together. It really helped out this team. This team had worked hard for years and years and years. They got together with this team. Last year they won their first regional at West Michigan. Team number 70.
Team number 70 is out of Goodrich, Michigan. 19 students on this team, and they come from Goodrich High School. They're sponsored by General Motors, the Daimler Chrysler Corporation, Textron, and Kettering University. They are the More Martians from Goodrich High.
In fact, what I was told when they did their build last year, they built two machines and basically flipped the coin at the end of the build season to decide which one would have 70 and which one would have 494. 494 has been a world champ. It was 2004.
Also from Goodrich, Michigan, and representing Goodrich High School, this team is sponsored by the Daimler Chrysler Corporation, General Motors, and Textron Fastening Systems. It's team number 494, the Goodrich Martians.
We're ready in the red and the blue. 3, 2, 1, go.
We're underway, 15 seconds in the autonomous mode. These robots have not been programmed to move forward and take up defensive position, but if you look into the player zones, you can see that each one of the teams was hard at work working out their game strategy. Here they come. 2 minutes now in the teleoperated period. 5:37, the Charger Robotics team, they strike first. The Dragons jump in there too. Tied up at the moment, 4-4. We've got Martians working on the near side of the field. Back side of the field, however, some bumping and grinding. Team 494 taking on 548. Martians leave the scene of the crime, and they've got 2 in a row on the backside of the field, trying to add to their success. Lots of action down front. Team 70 in a pushing and shoving match. Digital Fusion losing part of their robot. They'll be disabled. That becomes an impediment for their Red Alliance partner, the Dragons, trying to get in and score again. 45 seconds. Red Alliance moving sharply now. Martians on defense near the backside of the playing field. 20 seconds remaining. Now both alliances thinking about their in-game strategy. For the Blue Alliance, the Martians spoil the Red Alliance score. 7 seconds remaining. Time expires. Boy, the referees are going to have their hands full trying to sort this one out. Red Alliance was able to get 6 in a row. Then the Blue Alliance in the closing seconds hung the spoiler on the backside of the field. That'll negate part of their score. Blue Alliance was working down on the lower level. Now again, there were also some penalties. Red Alliance, Digital Fusion lost parts of its robot. Penalty there. And I believe that there was also a penalty on one of the Blue Alliance teams as well. We'll have to wait to see how these penalties will add up. Head referee still talking to his staff. Now he steps up to the scoring table. Again, 13-17 had to be disabled once it started losing parts like that. Waiting on the official score. And it's up, ladies and gentlemen, 128-8.